Hello everyone, Vaughn Marie here and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. I have a card video today and we are going to make a Hanukkah card. So I don't know if you make a lot of Hanukkah cards, but this is my first Hanukkah card and it came out really pretty and it was fast and easy using these products. I used the fall garland wreath, which I did cut out of some blue glitter cardstock. And here are my berries. So I did use a lighter blue glitter, and then here are my leaves that I used for the teal. It was the teal glitter paper pack. So I'm just going to add my berries and leaves. And I really love this word die and shadow. I think it's really nice when they have the shadow. So, and also I love Kat Scrappiness's dies, like the word dies, because I used one not too long ago where I cut off the happy, and so it looks like you can just do that on this card, on this word die as well. So it doesn't have to be for Hanukkah. You can use the happy on any project all year round. So I plan to do that. And since this is my first Hanukkah card, I wasn't sure what colors to use, but I really like how these colors look together. And I'm excited to build up my card stash. So this will be my first Hanukkah card, but it's not going to be my last. And just adding my leaves there, and it's really easy to die cut everything out. Once you there's a die for all the berries and all the leaves I have connected, so I just run it through my die cutting machine one time, and then I just separate them and add them with liquid glue. For me is the best and quickest. I just put a daub of glue on all the berries and work as fast as I can. And almost done with putting all the berries and leaves, and here is the finished product. So really pretty. I love how it came out. And next I will cut out the word die, and I did die cut the word die 3 times with white cardstock, and then I will use some teal glitter paper for the shadow. I was going to do some light blue glitter, but I believe I changed my mind. And I love how it looks once it's all glued together. I love cutting out the word dies with 3 times out of white cardstock. I think it's really pretty and gives a lot of dimension. And then here is the shadow. So I did use that dark teal glitter, and the glitter paper is really pretty because it's not messy and it's a good quality, very thick, and that's how I like my cardstock. And there it is, all glued. And next I will have different pieces of cardstock. So here is white, navy blue, and a silver mirror cardstock. And I'm just going to add everything to an A2 white heavy duty card base. And usually it can be difficult for me to line up my cardstock on camera, but I did it this time. So yay. And it's a really simple design, so I hope it motivates you to make one of these cards or something like it. And I love my liquid glue. Also, have you signed up for the virtual retreat, the winter virtual retreat, which is December 3rd? I will be teaching a card making workshop in the morning that day, and I will be chatting with you in the chat, the live chat. So I hope you will register and maybe grab the bundle. So after I glue this on, I do add some embellishments. And it was really hard to choose which ones because I have a bunch from Kat Scrappiness that I love and I hoard. So it was hard to choose. And so such a pretty and easy card to make. I really had fun making it. And there we go. And I will hold it down with a clear block. So those are the embellishments I'm using. Super pretty. I love all the different sizes. This is the white diamond sequins mix, and I do add them in 3s. So, and that pretty much finishes my card. I hope you like it, and I hope you register for the retreat. I would love to have you there, and I will be back soon with another card tutorial. And just putting my last sequin here, and then I will show you my card. So there it is. Thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.